Oh, I left home. I decided not to be a bulb, but your views like my views. This is where I am. Views for days. It's so calm, but the views, it's near the forest. Oh, look at that forest, and it goes all the way. The views are to die for, the views are to die for. I love it. Forms and forms, but the land goes downwards. Down, down, down. Where is this thing? Look as if one is going in a hole. I'm scared. Look at how steep it is. It's as if I'm going down a hill. I'm going down somewhere that it's down a hole. Now, wow. Somebody help me, oh! Somebody! There you are! At least I'm out of the black hole. There is a river that goes scenic, quiet. Ninajua kuswim. This is the deepest part. It's too deep. And I am a joker, joker. Bamboo forest. These are bamboo trees. And a lot of native trees. Nativeness. And guess what? I'm near there, but there's much closer than home. No, it just seemed like a white thingy, like a blue thing. It's, you see the trees, and oh, actually, it's not a long walk from here. If you have the zeal in a tree, you'll walk.